Are you an owner of a pet store? Then this video is for you, because today I am going to show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your pet store. Now here, with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, you can automate entire WhatsApp messages for your pet store and your replies, and you will be able to engage your customers 24/7 effortlessly. The best part is that we are going to create this entire chatbot without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you also want to learn the entire process of building this WhatsApp chatbot effortlessly for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, as you know, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for a pet store using Pabbly Chatflow. So to create this WhatsApp chatbot, you do not require any coding or programming skills or knowledge. If you are a pet store owner or a marketer looking to automate your customer queries, this video is just for you, because here, as you know, we are going to build step-by-step WhatsApp chatbot for your store. Now, before moving forward towards building the WhatsApp chatbot, first of all, let me tell you that what exactly is Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is a powerful platform that helps you to build interactive WhatsApp chatbots for your businesses. It is all-in-one WhatsApp marketing and WhatsApp automation platform. You can create flows over here, send broadcast messages to a list of your customers or contacts, manage your chats, and automate customer support all inside your WhatsApp at one place. Now here, it's perfect for all kind of businesses, especially the stores like you have. So we have some key features of Pabbly Chatflow that I'm going to explain you in brief. So first of all, here you can see we have inbox where you can manage all your chats which you're receiving and also the chats which you are sending to your customers all at one place. Then we have the contact section where you can manage all your leads and contacts data by creating custom contact list over here. Then over here in the dashboard, you can manage all your performance and flows, the usage basically which you're using, like credits and the remaining credits. Then we have team queues. So with this feature, you can assign the chats of different customers to different team members. In this way, you will be able to check whether you will be able to track the performance of your business, your team members, and increase the engagement of your customers. Then here with the template section, you can create customized templates for sending messages to your customers, your leads, employees, anyone, which will help you to attach PDFs, documents, image, videos, n number of things in the template and variables, which can make your templates dynamic as well as creative. The next we have is the broadcast feature, which helps us to send mass messages to your audience. Here you can create systematic list of different varieties of audience and send template messages in the personalized format to each of them. Now then, finally, we are going to move forward towards the flow section. That is the highlight of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can create automated chatbots and flows. Now let's start creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our pet store step by step. First of all, to start with a new flow, we have to click on this add flow button, and we are going to build a new flow over here. To start a flow, we have a flow start. So wherever you're going to receive certain messages from your customers which contain specific keywords. In my case here, because I own a pet store, I'm creating this chatbot for a pet store. I might receive messages such as pet, products related to pet, cat, dog, fish, aquarium, pet food, etc. These are the keywords which I could receive as start messages from my customers. And I want that as soon as these keywords are going to be matched, automatically the flow should start and the welcome message should be sent to my customers. So my flow should start with these keywords. We have to enter such keywords over here that what all keywords you want to match and start your workflow. So some of the most common keywords are hi. A customer can initiate the chat with hi, hello, hey. To enter the keywords like this, what you have to do, you have to type the word and then you have to take your cursor on the word and click over here like this. It will turn blue and it will become your keyword. Okay, then here the next will be pet or store or help. But we can have multiple such keywords, n number of keywords. Now, it might be possible that most of the customers are not sending these exact words. They might send some sentences like, hey, I want to know about the products which you're offering on your store. So if I'm going to enter keywords over here, the sentences will not be matched. If a customer is sending me a specific sentence which contains the keyword, I will not be able to match that keyword and start my flow. In order to solve that problem, we are going to use regex over here, which is going to help us to identify the keywords from long sentences or different kind of sentences and match the keywords and start the flow automatically. So here what I'm going to do, in order to enter the regex, you have to use a specific format which I'm going to show you over here. Format will contains the common and the used keywords which might be sent by your customers to you, and on the basis of those keywords you want to start your flow. Okay, so here I've entered my regex as /b bracket hi, hello, start, pet, help, store. These are the keywords which I think I could get as initiators. Then we have the product. You have to keep in mind that you have to use exact format. You do not have to use any space in between the words. You should avoid using sentences over here. Supplies, food, grooming, and here I have ended the regex with /b. Now I'm going to toggle this button on because it enable case sensitive regex. Because if you are having the keywords or regex which could be case sensitive, you can just toggle it on. It is not mandatory although, but if you want, you can just toggle it on. Now, here after the flow is going to start, when I'm going to receive these keywords, my flow is going to identify them and my flow is going to start. Then what I want to ask the name of the customer. So what I want to ask the name of the customer so that I could identify the name of that customer and address them with their own name so that I will be able to maintain the engagement. For that, I'm going to go towards actions and I'm going to select ask question over here. I'm going to drag it down like this and then I'm going to connect my flow start with this question. And I want to ask the question as, hi there, we would love to help you and your furry friend. Could you please tell us your name? Now, I want that when the customer is going to send me the reply with their name, I want to add that name in the custom field. For that, I'm going to select the custom field of full name and I'm going to select the format. Of course, the name is in text. So here we have selected the format as text. Apart from this, if you also want to provide a number of attempt over here, that if in case customer sends wrong spelling or wrong name, if they want to correct it again, would you like to provide the reattempt for that or no? So I'm going to select only one attempt because I do not want to provide the reattempt for that. If you are providing the attempt number, you can also select the validation message to be sent along with the attempt request. Okay, now how you can select the custom field by yourself. For that, from the left side here, you can see we have the option of settings. And here we have the option of contact custom fields. I will open it in a new tab. Here we have contact custom fields and you can select any of the contact custom fields which you want according to your choice like that. Okay. Now, if you want to learn more about contact custom fields and how to add them, we have already created a video for that. You can just go and watch it from our YouTube channel and also you can just click on this hyperlink to learn more. I will go back towards my flow. And now, as I'm going to receive the message of name, I want to address them with a name and I want to send a welcome message in my store to them. So here I'm going to send a message. For that, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to connect my question with another message. That here I'm going to select text plus button and the message will be, hi, and here because I want to mention the name of the customer which they have recently sent me as reply, here I have entered full name. That is the name of the custom field which I want to use, and in order to mention the as it is name of the customer, I have used a $sign over here. So when the customer is going to reply with their name, that name is going to be added in our custom fields and it will be saved in Pabbly chat flow. So when we will address them, we will be able to use that same name so that we can send personalized messages and make the customer feel engaged and attracted. Alright, so here I have entered welcome to Pet Paradise, that is the name of my pet store. We are here to help you with all your pet needs. And now I'm going to provide the options which they can select. So in order to provide the options, I'm going to provide buttons. I'm going to click on this add button option and here I'm going to add the button text. So the first button is for pet products, whether they would like to explore the pet products. Then the second button, the second option which I'm going to provide to my customer is they want to look for the grooming of pets, and we can select 3 buttons over here. So I'm going to add one more, or some tips related to their pet. So according to each of the option which the customer is going to select, now I'm going to enter my messages. So if, first of all, let's say in case if the customer is going to go for selecting the pet products, if they want to explore about the products which we are offering. So in that case, I'm going to provide them the details. So here I'm going to connect another message with the pet products. In case if the customer is going to select pet products, so I'm going to send them the message as, here are our popular products: dog food, cat toys, shampoo and care. So now I'm going to provide the link of my store as well. If they want to explore out the products from my store, I'm going to provide visit our store to order now. This is the store link. And now here Apart from this, if they will explore the products, if they do not want to directly go towards the store and they want to go back towards the menu, I'm going to add another button over here by clicking on this add button option. That will be back to menu. And when a customer is going to click on this back to menu button, then I'm going to connect this back to menu button to the welcome message. So again, they will be able to go back towards the menu. Now this is for the pet products, if they are going to select the option of pet products. In case if my customer is going to select the button grooming, so I want to send them the message as, we offer grooming services for all pets, all kind of pets. Now here I have provided location for the grooming services and here the timing. Also, I've provided the booking details that if they want to book the appointment, they can call us at this number. After reading this message, if they want to go back towards the menu, I'm going to attach the button for go back to menu over here. And now I'm going to attach the message once again with the welcome message. Now, we have the third option for pet tips. If the customer selects the option, the button as pet tips, they want to know about the pet tips. So I'm going to just add another message. In that case, I'm going to send them the message as, here are some tips for your furry friends. Feed twice a day, regular walks and monthly grooming. More tips here. So here I have also provided the blog link. Here's my website link on which I regularly post new blogs related to pet grooming and tips for pet parents for taking care of their pets. Now, after reading this, if they want to go to, after reading this, if they want, they can just directly go towards the link and read the blogs. If not, if they want to go back towards the menu. So once again, I'm going to add the button for going back to menu over here. And I'm going to connect this message with the welcome message once again. Alright, so here my flow is ready. Now, after creating this flow, I'm going to name my flow as Chatbot for Pet Store. You can give the name according to your choice. Now I'm going to summarize what kind of flow I have created. So first of all, I have started the flow with some keywords and I've used regex over here, and I also toggled this button on for my case sensitive regex. As soon as I'm going to receive the keywords and here the keywords will match the regex over here, automatically a message will be sent to my customer in order to ask their name. If they are going to provide me the name, then automatically again a welcome message will be sent to that customer along with their name, and it is going to welcome them as well as provide them the options which they want to explore. According to each options, then I'm going to send them further messages. If they are going to select pet products, then I'm going to provide them the details about the products we have in our store, and also I'm going to provide the store link so that they can go and explore the products and place their orders. If not, they can just go back towards the menu. The second is the grooming. So if they want to go towards the grooming section, we have the appointment details for that. And also we have some pet tips. If they want to select pet tips as their option, we have provided them with the pet tips. Also the blog link where we are going to provide more details. Alright, so this is the flow which I have created. Now I'm going to quickly save this flow and I'm going to show you a live example of the flow. So on the business number, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message related to the keywords I have. So let's say this is a WhatsApp number by using which I'm running my Pabbly Chatflow account for the pet store. And as a customer, let's say I'm going to send a message as, hello, I want to know about pet care. Here, as soon as I've sent this message, it is asking us, hi there, we would love to help you and your furry friend. Could you please tell us your name? So let's say I'm going to send the name as dummy customer. And here it is addressing me, hi dummy customer, welcome to Pet Paradise. We are here to help you with all your pet needs. Please choose an option below. So let me select a button over here. Let's say I'm going to press this pet products button. As I have done that. Now here it is asking us, here are our popular products. So we have dog food, cat toys, shampoo and care. And if you want, you can visit our store to order now. Apart from this, here we have the button of back to menu. So when I'm going to click on this button, it is taking me again on the menu section. So let's say this time I'm going to select grooming. So it has provided me with the grooming details and the number on which I can call to book the appointment for my pet grooming. Again, when I'm going to click on back to menu, here it is providing us again with the details, the menu section. So this means our flow is running absolutely fine, and now every time we are going to receive keywords related to the pet store which we have provided, automatically the flow is going to work and the customers are going to be addressed 24/7 and all the queries will be solved, and in this way you can create the flow for your pet store. I have just used simple templates over here, but you can create your templates more engaging, more creative and more informative. So I hope this chatbot is helpful for you and it is going to improve the sales of your pet store as well as increase your customer base. Thank you for watching.